Hi, my name is Kevin O'Connor. I am the managing partner of APN Staffing. We have been recruiting automotive-related businesses in the Valley for over 30 years. APN stands for Automotive Personnel Network. Originally, I was a controller of one of the local dealerships in town, and I saw that there was a really good need for qualified personnel for our industry. When I left the dealership in '90, I decided I would open up my own firm. We have since grown to roughly 10 APN staffing members, also a crew of about 50 personnel doing temporary work around the Valley for various businesses. We have worked with ASA for a number of years, many of their members with their needs in the area of technicians. We currently have 3 people dedicated to finding those people. We've been doing it for a long time. We understand the challenges. I think not only there's a problem of finding great techs, but there's also a need to retain good techs, and that's kind of hopefully where we can come in. When we can help, call us. Like I say, we've been doing this for 30 years. We are the longest singly operated business assisting dealerships and independent repair shops with their staffing needs in the country. I think we can help you guys out. Once again, let us know when we can help.